So welcome to my very first video ever on this new channel. To jump right into it, I've always been into movies, series and games, and especially the cinematic side of things. I've always thought or felt like I had a creative side, and after seeing some tutorials on YouTube about Unreal Engine and how people create things with this program, it got me inspired to try things out. So now I have zero experience with this program or with creating things, so I really have to start from scratch. So let's jump right into it. Okay, so first thing you want to do is download the Unreal Engine. Get Unreal, download the launcher and then save it whatever you want. And then you can install your program. Getting some updates, more installing. On your desktop you might find this one, Epic Game Launcher. So of course you need an account, so I believe I have a account somewhere, so I'm gonna look it up. So when the initial install is done, you can assume just launch it or look at options. So starters and target platforms. I think this is when you want to make games for example, the Android or the iOS, which I'm not gonna do. I'm just gonna try and make videos. So I'm gonna deselect these, which save you a lot of space, and that's like 20 gigs saved. Apply, and then it's doing stuff. Something else you can see once you clicked on Unreal Engine is the marketplace, but also samples, I guess. So here you have a whole bunch of samples you can work with. I'm sure I'll try a few of those later. And then you also have marketplace, where you can have even more stuff. Back to library. So there is the installed version 5.3.2, and guess now we are ready to launch it. Unreal Engine, there you go, beautiful, and there you go. Anyway, this is the basic layout, and then I guess you can start from here somewhere. So this was really it for my first video. It's not that long, but it's just to show you where to get the program and how to install it. And then in the next video I will be trying an actual project and look at the menus, navigate through the program, and yeah, I will see you in the next video.